So guys, let me show you the demonstration of text substitution. So you can see that in this directory I have two header file a.h and b.h, and I have an application file that is app.c. So you can see that the content of header file a.h is exactly same as what we discussed in the slide. Then on the window on the right hand side, you can see the content of b.h header file. So you can see that it is the content of b.h header file in the second window. In the third window, we have application.c file, which is actually written by the programmer. That is, it is the version 1 of application.c file. Now in the final window, that is in the fourth window, I will show you how to do text substitution on application.c file. For that, just use the compiler GCC and use -e switch and specify application.c source file, and the output file should be the file with I extension, right? So using this command, that is GCC -e, we can apply the text substitution on the source file application.c, and the final version of file after text substitution will be the file app.i. You can see that we have finished with the text substitution, and now let us see that what is there in app.i file. So you can see that all the lines which starts with hash, you can safely ignore all these lines, and you can see that what remains in this file is exactly the same which we obtain after applying all the text substitution on the source file. So you can see that in the third window, that is in this window, it is the version of the app.c file which was written by the programmer, and in the fourth window, it is the version of source file after applying all the text substitution. So you can see that in this source file there is no hash defines, there is no hash includes, and the macro usage has been replaced by their actual definitions. So you can always use -e switch of the compiler GCC in order to see the version of the source file immediately after text substitution has been performed on it. Remember that compiler has not yet started compiling this final version of source file, and therefore it will not throw you any compilation error. Compiler throws the compilation error when it actually compiles the source file, and we have not yet compiled the source file. We have simply subjected to our source file only to text substitution.